How to fix the error performing query on Facebook. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. First things first, go ahead and check your internet connection and make sure that you are connected to a proper working internet connection, and if not, then you can also switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data. See if that helps you in fixing your issue, and if not, you can also try to enable airplane mode for a few seconds and then disable it again, as doing this will refresh your network connection. See if that helps you in fixing your issue, and if not, then go ahead and force quit the Facebook application. So swipe up on your screen and then force quit Facebook along with all the apps running in the background and see if that helps you in fixing your issue. If not, then go ahead and open App Store on your device and then tap on the search bar and search for Facebook, and make sure that the Facebook application is updated to its latest version, and if not, then go ahead and update the app. And if that does not help you in fixing your issue too, then launch the settings application on your device and tap on general and then on iPhone storage. Further, scroll down and navigate to Facebook, and then go ahead and offload the app and reinstall the app again, as doing this will free up storage used by the app and keep your documents and data safe. See if that helps, and if not, then open Facebook again and then tap on your profile icon on the bottom right of your screen. Further, tap on the three lines on the top right and then scroll down and then tap on the log out option you see there. Log yourself out and then wait for a few minutes and then log back in, and by now your issue should have been fixed. If not, then make sure that you are not connected to any kind of VPN services, as VPNs might result in these kind of errors sometimes. Also, open your preferred browser and in the search bar search for Facebook server status and make sure that the Facebook server status is not down, and just in case if it is down, then you might need to wait for a few minutes or hours in order to use Facebook. And if your issue is not fixed yet, then go ahead and on your home screen tap hold on the Facebook application and then tap on remove app and then on delete app. Delete the app completely from your device and then reinstall it again from your app store, and by now your issue should have been fixed. So these were a few fixes on how you can fix error performing query on Facebook. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.